sir. My name is Frankie Emporino, and we will discuss the statement number one. Is eloquent ORM in Laravel and how those is simplify database interactions. Eloquent ORM in Laravel is the framework's built-in object relational mapper that provides an elegant and expressive way to interact in database. Instead of writing raw SQL queries, you can work with your database using PHP object with methods. Number two, how does Laravel handle HTTP requests and define routes? Laravel handles HTTP requests through the public index.php entry point, which sends the request to the HTTP kernel middleware is applied, then the router checks defined routes and routes web.php or routes api.php. Routes map URLs to closures or controller actions, returning responses like HTML or JSON. 3. Explain the role of blade templating engine in Laravel. The blade templating engine in Laravel plays a central role in building dynamic and reusable user interfaces. It is Laravel's built-in template engine that allows developers to write clean, concise and efficient views using a simple syntax while still taking full advantage to play PHP when needed. 4. What is the security features provided by Laravel? Laravel provides strong security features such as CSRF protection user tokens, XSS prevention by escaping output, and SQL injection defense through prepared statement if offers authentication, authorization, and password hashing with Bcrypt or Argon 2. Additional Laravel ensures secure cookie handling, encryption, input validation, and supports rate limiting to prevent brute force attacks. 5. How does Laravel support scheduling? Laravel supports task scheduling through its scheduler, which centralizes all scheduled tasks in App Console kernel.php. Developers define commands closures or shell script with flexible frequency method like daily, hourly, or custom cron. A single cron entry triggers Laravel's scheduler, simplifying automation while supporting condition logging and prevention task overlap. So, yun po sir. Thank you po.